Hi, I'm John J. Vogel, and I was lucky enough to co-star in the feature film A Soldier's Story 2, Return from the Dead. Brought to you by the remarkable filmmaking team of producer Martin Gabados and the extraordinary writer-director Frankie Ogre. Well, we've got some exciting news for you. You can now stream A Soldier's Story 2, Return from the Dead, across multiple streaming platforms in North America through the US and Canada. And now I'm going to tell you those platforms, but it's a long list, so we're going to try to get through this. Amazon, YouTube, iTunes, Comcast X Infinity, DirecTV, Vudu, Fandango Now, Redbox, Microsoft Xbox, Google Play, Cineplex, and Flex Fling. Woo! Well, do yourself a favor. Stream A Soldier's Story 2, Return from the Dead. You can buy it or rent it, and you won't be disappointed. Cheers.